In today's world, self-respect and confidence are very important, especially for women over 50. Sometimes people feel that with age, confidence, attention, and even emotional connection in society decrease. But that is not the full truth. We are living in a new era where everything is changing: fashion, lifestyle, mindset, and opportunities. Women are no longer limited to traditional roles. They are becoming more active, more independent, and more focused on self-growth. Age is no longer a barrier, it is just a number. Fashion and fitness have become powerful tools of transformation. What you wear, how you take care of your body, and how you present yourself all play a big role in building your image. Today, women are focusing on their style, improving their health, and rebuilding their confidence step by step. To improve your personal image, you need to focus on three key things: fashion, fitness, and self-care. Choose clothing that matches your personality, maintain your health through proper diet and exercise, and develop a style that reflects your confidence. When these three things come together, your personality naturally becomes more attractive and powerful. You don't just look good, you feel good from inside. Self-respect is not something that disappears with age. It is something you build through your habits, your choices, and your mindset. When you invest in yourself, people automatically start respecting you more. So the message is simple: don't think age reduces your value. Instead, use this stage of life to grow, evolve, and create a stronger, more confident version of yourself through fashion, fitness, and self-love.